看会不会卡？Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to introduce Wecon Servo basic introduction for our servo drive. This training divided into 4 parts. First part is servo naming rules. The second part is servo types and wiring. The third part is servo features. And finally part is the servo application. Okay, so let's start from the first part, servo naming rules. As you can see, we use this motto as an example, and you can see this is our whole mottos naming rules. The first part is the series. We have WD series named 5 pole and WE series named 4 pole, and this is our series name. And the second part is the flange size, and we have from 40 millimeters to 130 millimeters flange size. And the third part is motor inertia. The motor inertia, you can see this letter. We have 3 motor inertia. For L means lower inertia, N means medium inertia, H means high inertia. And the fourth part is rated power. It's combined by the 3 numbers. And we have the rated power from 0.110 kilowatt to 2.3 kilowatt. This is our rated power. And the fifth part is rated speed. 2 numbers combine this part. We have from 1,500 RPM to the 3,000 RPM. We have these 4 types for the rated speed. And the sixth part is our voltage. We have S means 220 volt, T means 380 volt. This is our voltage. And the seventh part is the encoder type. For now we have 4 encoder type named E1, A1, C1, and D2. And these encoder type are adapted to our clients' projects. And the final part is our motor schedule. And F means oil sealed, and G means oil sealed with brake, and B means oil sealed, and C also means oil sealed with brake. Okay, so the next part is our servo drive naming rules. For now, we have 3 series named VD2, VD2F, and VD3E. VD2F is our economy type, and the VD3E is our new EtherCAT, servo drive for this year. And this is our series name. You can check these 3 letters. And the second part is our max output current. We have from 10 ampere to 30 ampere. We have this max output current. The third part is also the voltage, the same to the servo motor. S means 220 volt, and T means 380 volt. The first part is our encoder type. We have 2 encoder type for our servo drive. A1 means absolute encoder, and E1 means incremental encoder. And the final part is our function. For our servo, we have P, G, H, and R functions, but basically we use the G type because it's the normally type for our servo drive. Okay, so next chapter is the servo types and wiring. For now, our VD2 have VD2A series and VD2B series. We have from these two sides from the 0.4 to 0.75. This is A size, and B size is 1 to the 5.5 kilowatt. This is our uh, servo drive size. And if you want to know more VD2 series servos introduction, you can check our YouTube link channel to check these videos about our VD2 series servo. And as you can see, this one is our servo composition, and I will introduce uh, by my hands. And for now, I have this servo drive in my hand. As you can see, we can start introduction from the below. As you can see, this for now, this one is CN1. CN1 means encoder connector terminals. Encoder connect terminals. Our encoder type, encoder cable from this to our servo motor to connect this encoder type. And also the second one is CN2. It's named control input and output terminals. It's here. And the third one is our CN3 COM ports. This one is RS422 COM ports. RS422 COM ports to connect with our PC. And this one is our power input terminals. Power input terminals to connect with our servo power to give the power to our servo drive. And this one is our motor output terminals. It divided into two parts from the P plus to CD. This one is our braking resist wiring, and from the UVW, these three models means the motor power wiring. So this is our motor output terminals. And the final one, this bottom of this is ground screw to connect the servo drive to the ground screw. And the indicator is here. You can see the servo condition for using. This one is the indicator, and also this one is the operate panels. You can see the parameters in here and control the servo drive uh, via these buttons to control the servo drive parameters. The final part is the upside for these two COM ports named as 485 communication ports to connect with our PLC to control the servo drive and send the signal to our PLC. And we also have VD2 series, B series. So these two types are different, and one is big, and the other one is the small one. We also have the economy type named VD2F, and compared to the VD2, this one not have analog input and not have the frequency division output and not have the internal position mode. And this one also lesser I/O for the compared to the VD2. Okay, so this one is the composition of the VD2 servo drive, almost the same to the VD2, but less the I/O terminals. Okay, so this one is our new VD3E servo drive. And for the new year, we have also started to sell this VD3E servo. And you can also check the composition of servo drive in here. This one is also different from VD2 because this one add the new Type C ports to connect with our PC. Use this, it will be more easy and more convenient to connect with our PC to control the servo drive. And also the I/O will be the more smaller, and the I/O is in the inside of the servo drive. Also, the top of the servo drive, we add the Ethercat communication port to connect with the PLC. It will be more easier to use, and it will more convenient for control the servo drive. This one is also the difference between the VD2. It's a difference between the VD2 series and the USB drive. Okay, so this one is our new LS6V, and we use this one to connect with our new VD3 servo drive to connect with our motors to control the projects. This one we can connect with the 128 axis for the servo drive. So this one is our servo types and wiring, and we use the VD2 and VD2F as examples. USB RS422 convert cable can make servo communicate to PC by SC tool. We use this cable named SC09 cable to communicate our servo drive to the PC. This one is used to the VD2 and VD2F series, but for now we add the VD3 series use this one CN3. This one use USB cable, Type C cable to communicate with our PC to the servo drive VD3. It will more easy and convenient to use in our applications. This one is our SC tools. It's our servo software. You can download our servo software in our website and to check the parameters in here and setting our servo drive. And this one is our Modbus R485 communication. We can use this to setting the Modbus function code in here to setting these parameters. And this one is our power calculation of servo brake resistor. And when you want to calculate the brake resistor, you need to use these tools from our website and to calculate the recommended braking resistor power. Normally, if you use the model and the jack model, you can calculate these parameters and these numbers in here. You can use this tool to calculate them. Okay, so for third part is our servo features. For now, our servo have three modes for using. We have position mode, speed mode, and the torque mode. And these three modes you can check in our YouTube link to see the training video by detailed, and it will be more detailed introduction about these three modes in our YouTube channel. And we also have the additional functions named multi-segment position command and also the multi-speed command for our servo. And you also can check our training video in our YouTube link and to find more detailed training in here. And the servo also have the two different functions named rotary saw and flying saws for the servo drive. And in our application, if you want to cut the paper, cut the maybe stones or something like these materials, you can use these functions in our application. And this one is our servo selection tool, and we use this one to choose the servo models. And firstly, you need to confirm the motor according to the flange size, rated power, rated torque, and rated speed, and other requirements like these functions, these parameters. You will check, you will confirm these parameters in the first step. The second step, select the correct servo drive. And the servo drive, the third trick is the third step is to select the right power cable and encoder table for the servo. Okay, so the final part is the applications. Let us to see some videos about these applications.
In the processing of PVC plastic doors and windows materials, the welding and cleaning line control is a very important process. Wecon Smart Plastic Steel Door Window Product Line Solution is composed of four-corner welding and clearing line control system, corner cleaning machine control system, palletizer control system. With Wecon Advanced LX5B Series HMI PI3102IE and VD to servo drive to realize automatic welding and cleaning process. Use VD to servo to reduce workload and hidden trouble. The process accuracy is controlled within 0.03 milliseconds. It used to take 120 seconds to complete a frame, but now it takes only 90 seconds. Manual corner clearing and complex operation is difficult to learn and takes 3 or 4 days to train operators. By the laser scanning demonstration, Wecon Smart Corner Cleaning Machine Control System can be easily learned in 20 minutes, and the equipment is debugged without commissioning. Smart 4-corner welding control system adopts 3-axis CNC, high positioning accuracy and high efficiency. The welding corner strength is about 30% higher than ordinary welding. Smart Palletizer Control System can place 20 finished window frames at each station. Products are arranged neatly and quickly. Wecon Smart Welding and Clearing Line Control is very easy to operate. Production line saves 5 operators and increase the output by more than 3 times. AC power cords are common used in our daily life. It is made by high voltage alternating current wires, which need higher safety standard and strict making process. Based on the market demand, Wecon launched fully automatic AC power cord making machine control solution. This control system is equipped with Wecon PI 7-inch HMI, LX5B series Ethernet PLC, 11-axis CNC system, which using 10 pieces VD to servo and 1 stepper motor. This system can be divided into 13 processes: wire feeding, external stripping, painting powder, inner wire leveling and color separation, flattening, wire splitting, shaping, internal stripping, inner wire vision camera recognition, terminal crimping, terminal yield judgment, cover installation, wire collection. It also uses Wecon Vision Machine Control System, composing of VC100 to 128G, Visual Square Light Source, Visual Ring Light Source, 60 watts for channel light source controller, industrial camera and laser pointer. The line length progress of the outgoing line is controlled within 1 millimeter. Production capacity of 1.3 meter line is 1800 pieces per hour. Production capacity of 1.822 meter line is 1600 pieces per hour. It is high precision and high efficiency, which greatly improves the yield rate, reduces raw material waste and cost. Wecon automatic AC power cord making machine control solution help customers achieve efficient production of AC power cord. As an automatic packing equipment, packing machine is widely used in food, medicine, daily necessities production lines. In order to meet the more packing machines requirement, Wecon provides 3 servo horizontal packing machine solution equipped with Wecon PLC, servo control system and HMI. This system is stable and ensures bag length accuracy. Like food packing machine, each cutting can achieve 200 packs per minute. Using UDisk to download programs through Wecon PLC and HMI. It is convenient for customers to improve the process. One machine with multi-functions to reduce production costs and increase efficiency. This system has the functions of empty cutting prevention, materials cutting prevention, reverse cutting, fixed length packaging, various length packing. It is high cutting precision and rich functions. Wecon 3 servo horizontal packing machine is the best choice for packing machine equipment manufacturers.
Okay, so we introduced these 3 videos about our servo applications, and this one is our power plug automation assembly machine. Use servo drives with our servo and our HMI and PLC. And the second one is our stone multi-axis integrated machines, also to use our servo drive and VFD and PLC to control this whole series and applications. The final one is the packing machine. 3 servo pillow packing machine use these these servos and our automation equipment for Wecon products. Okay, thank you. So that's all the information today. If you have any interest, you can leave a message in our YouTube channel or Facebook. So we will check and give you a reply. Thank you. That's all for today.